This is the best Hong Kong style cream corn fish recipe you'll find. Let's get started. Start by cutting the kernels off fresh corn. Next, in a small pot, add 2 cups of water with 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Once it starts to boil, add the corn, along with a pinch of salt and sugar. After 2 minutes, stir in heavy cream. Set the sauce aside for now. Now, let's prepare the fish. Fillet the fish. Then, lightly season with a little salt and white pepper. We're going to use 3 eggs in total, but set one of the yolks aside for later. Now we can dredge the fish. First, coat in cornstarch, then dip in the egg wash, then coat with breadcrumbs. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the fish for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and cooked through. Then double fry briefly to make it extra crispy. Bring the corn sauce back to a boil. Once boiling, add a cornstarch slurry to thicken. Now add the egg yolk plus any leftover egg wash into the sauce. Lightly stir until silky smooth. Pour the creamy corn sauce all over the crispy fish. Serve hot and enjoy. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.